we were just about to do a super fun bubble craft. Yeah, we were about to do it together.
Do it together, D-I-T.
Bubble crafts like this are really fun to do, especially with the help of a grown-up Sprout. Yeah, and we're gonna use these really cool soap bottles. Look familiar? Yeah, exactly, just like a Noodle and Doodle. And what you do is when you're almost out of soap, and it's just at the very bottom, you can add some water and shake it up like this. Shake, 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 shake. Thanks for your help, Chica. And then you pour it into a bowl like this, right? And look at all these bubbles. Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna use these bubbles to make a craft. Yeah. And you just need a straw like this one and some food coloring. We're gonna make it red, because that's Chica's favorite color. Now, Sproutlets, this part is tricky, so make sure that you have a grown-up Sprout watching. What you want to do is blow through the straw like this. Make sure not to suck in. Don't suck in, just blow like this. Ready? Wow, look at that! Lots of bubbles! Ooh, Chica's gonna get her straw. Okay, let's blow bubbles together. Good job, Chica. You're so good at this. Then, Sproutlets, once you've blown so many bubbles that it fills to the top, then you can add some food coloring like this. Ready? Okay, let's blow a few more bubbles. Okay, and then we add the food coloring, Chica, like this. Wow. See, now the bubbles are red. And now, Sproutlets, you can take a piece of paper and you just set it right down on top. And then you get a print. You want to help, Chica? Oh, good job. Thank you. Pat it down. And then you have a red bubble. Can you see that? There's a red bubble. Let's blow some more bubbles and see how many more designs we can make. Look at all those red bubbles. Add some more food coloring. Boop, 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 boop. And press it down. Thank you. And then you have a design. Yeah, and when you're all finished, Sproutlets, you can do it in all different colors. We did this one in blue. Whoa, pretty cool, huh?
Find more of the Sunny Side Up Show every morning from 9 to 12 on the Sprout Channel and anytime at sproutonline.com and Sprout On Demand.